Actually, inside the plants, two things happen: photosynthesis and respiration. Both of them happen. In photosynthesis, what happens? It takes carbon dioxide, it takes water. In the presence of sunlight, it creates glucose plus oxygen. Oxygen comes in photosynthesis. In respiration, what happens? It takes the glucose, reacts with oxygen, and gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. See, these are raw material in photosynthesis, but the same things are byproducts in respiration. Similarly, this is byproduct in photosynthesis, but this is raw material in respiration. Understand? So now let me tell you what happens. In a plant, photosynthesis is more than respiration. Photosynthesis is more than respiration. So oxygen is more than carbon dioxide. From the plant, both comes out. Some oxygen, more carbon dioxide. Some carbon dioxide, more oxygen. So we call it as net release. What is net? Net, for example, my salary is 10,000 rupees, but 5,000 cut as tax, everything. Only 5,000 comes to my pocket, let us say. The 5,000 is a net. My salary may be 10,000, but I get only 5,000. Remaining are cut in whatever loans, whatever. Understand? Like that, the plant may release carbon dioxide, oxygen both, but overall net it will release more oxygen. So net release is oxygen only. Net release oxygen only from the plant. But in the night time, what comes to the plant? Why? Because in the night time this stops. No photosynthesis, but respiration continues. Okay, na? So respiration continues. In the night time, there is no sunlight. So this stops. Oh, respiration. So in the night time, plants release. That's why you should not sleep under the trees in the night time. Daytime you can sleep. Understand? Okay.